Welcome to the Fast Track Guide for Knowledge 66. This skill is about network security. Your goal is to protect the network, building a digital fortress. You need to understand the core trio: threats, the bad guys, vulnerabilities, the open doors, and exploits, the tools they use. Our strategy is defense in depth, using multiple layers of protection. We build security in layers. Layer 1 is physical, locks and CCTV to stop physical entry. Layer 2 is network, firewalls and VPNs to stop unauthorized connections. Layer 3 is endpoint, antivirus and patching on every laptop. And crucially, Layer 4 is the user awareness training creates a human firewall against phishing. To control access, we use AAA. Authentication asks, who are you? Always use multi-factor authentication here. Authorization asks, what can you do? Set permissions carefully. Accounting asks, what did you do? Keep logs. Follow the rule of least privilege, only give users the exact access they need, nothing more. For your portfolio, use this STARR example. Situation: our guest Wi-Fi was insecure and connected to the main LAN. Task: I needed to segregate the traffic. Action: I demonstrated K66. I created a dedicated guest VLAN and applied access control lists, ACLs, to block all traffic to the internal network. Result: guests could access the internet securely without risking company data. Reflection: I learned that network segmentation is the most effective way to reduce risk. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in mastering this topic. If you found value in this session, I have a small favor to ask. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and follow our channel. It really means a lot to me and helps the algorithm show these lessons to other apprentices, just like you, who need support. Don't forget, you can download today's slides and the full transcript at www.mentorinai.com EPA Hub. While you are there, check out our mock interview and portfolio review services to make sure you are fully ready for your EPA. See you in the next video. Keep learning.